Yo, what is going on, guys? So it just started raining, so I'm going to head out for some street POV. I'm going to probably just concentrate on getting some video rather than photos, but we're just going to walk around, capture people in the streets, the life of the city, that sort of thing, just before it gets dark. So today I'm shooting with the A7iii with the Sigma 24-70. That's basically my only lens. I haven't really needed to buy any other ones, but I do want to get like a 10 to 18 millimeter to get that really wide angle. So I do tend to shoot a lot of wide content. Also shooting on the GoPro 12 for the POV, and then I've got the Rode mic just so you guys can hear me nice. So I'm just going to connect you guys now. We'll go for a bit of a walk. Just before I connect you guys, we're just down here in Taichung in Taiwan, near my apartment, so not far from home, but I'm just going to walk around Taichung city and we'll just capture some content here. It is lunar year, so there's going to be probably a few more lanterns and a few things happening and people around, so should be good. I do tend to shoot a lot of portraits of people just to capture that city life. So I'm not really sure what I want to go and capture today. Obviously it is going to be people. I think I just kind of walk around and just get a sense of what's happening in the city first. And then whatever strikes my eye is sort of what I'll capture. But if I shoot people, I want it to be interesting, not just everyday looking people. Fuck, it's starting to get moody down here. Might even try and find some maybe night markets or something. Haven't really done street photography for a while, so a cool angle. I'll wait for something to go past. Oh, still video. That was a cool frame. Like this guy here, he looks like a fucking puppet. He looks like you got like a sock on your hand. Watch this. Ready? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pretend I'm shooting. Pretend I'm shooting up with this guy. So this guy looks like a fucking sock puppet. So I'm gonna try and capture him. Make sure I got it all rolling. Ready? Awesome. So last year when I was here, there was a guy up here who sat in the same spot, but I want to try and capture again. Oh, can you imagine if he's still sitting up here a year later? Highly doubt he is, but it might be. The same markets are up here. If he is, we're going to snap him 2 years in a row. Boom. He's got the crankiest look on his face too. Ready, this guy? No, he's not here. Damn. Crazy. Might have to come back another day. Go. Alright, so we've got a fair bit of streets. I maybe should have brought my tripod out. Oh, you going here? Ah, sorry. Sorry. Oh my god. Alright guys, that is the end of the POV. I've never done a POV video before, so I don't know how I'm going to put this together, but let's do it and let's see what the final product looks like. See you guys, have a good one.